I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming what to remove and what to keep. This prevents accidental loss. Backup desired saves to cloud or an external drive, then close the game and any overlays. Once done, go to your device settings and open storage or navigate to the game's folder in File Manager. Make sure you have admin or account access. Without it, you can't delete protected files. Now locate the game data directory so you're ready for the next, irreversible steps. You'll now identify which files are safe to remove and which are essential. Inspect saves, config, cache, and app data or the game's ID folder. Check file sizes and timestamps to confirm they're current. Once identified, use multi-select, Control or Shift if deleting multiple items so you don't miss anything. Make sure to close any background services tied to the game, then move selected files to trash or a temporary backup folder. This deliberate selection, you're at the final step. Delete the selected files and confirm any system prompts. Empty trash or perform a permanent delete so remnants don't remain. Once deleted, restart the device to clear cached handles, then launch the game to verify the data reset or removal took effect. If something goes wrong, restore from your backup or check Cloud Sync for conflicting versions. If Sync reintroduces deleted data, sign out of the account before restoring. This ensures a clean, predictable result.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.